Hey, thanks for checking out my channel. If you were watching today, you're clearly looking for a ceiling fan. And what I got for you is the Bel Air 52-inch rubbed oil bronze ceiling fan with the light kit. Now, this is a value fan. I wouldn't be looking at this if you were seeking all the bells and whistles with like an LED light kit, etc. This doesn't have it. But really, are we getting fans because we want LEDs? No. We want fans because we want them to blow air on us. For a 52-inch fan at 5,128 CFM, this exceeds a significant amount of the population that's out there. Also, the brightness of the bulbs can really light up a room, and it's got a reversing mode, so if you're using this in the winter and you want to distribute the heat in your room a little differently, so you can do it reverse, forward. It's got slow, medium, and fast speeds. It's got the features that you need. Just also has the price tag that you probably need too. So let's check out the performance. I'm going to cut out here and then start doing the voiceover. Please drop a like, a subscribe, or a comment, good or bad, a comment. Let me know what I need to be doing any differently. Your feedback helps me a lot. So thanks, guys. Take it easy. Okay, so on the left-hand side, I'm showing you the features of the fan. On the right, we're doing the typical unboxing that I like to do. On the left, you'll see I'm going to give you a video showing you where the reversing switch is on the fan. You can tell that this fan has the nice brown, darker brown fan blades on the underside. They're reversible. If you like the red, you can put them in there too. I went with the brown. You can see up top, I did not use the 4-inch extension, the down rod, so I'm a taller person. Not bumping my head on the fan is certainly nice. So this fan has that unique capability where you can do direct mount. I'm now in the center of the screen going to show you what the fastest speed of this fan is. I'm going to pan to the left to show you guys my bassinet. You'll just look at the fabric of that and how much that moves. It'll give you at least an idea of how much airflow you can come to expect with this fan. That would be beyond the paper version where I tell you, hey, it's 5,128 cubic feet per minute. Let's see what that practically looks like, huh? I do want to point out to you guys that this is a bit of an energy hog at 76 watts on the highest speed, because that's excluding the lights, which eat up another 60 watts. The airflow efficiency is another metric that they use for these fans. At 68 cubic feet per minute per watt, that is on the lower end of efficiency. Compare that with the range of 49-inch to 60-inch ceiling fans. A reminder, this we're looking at is a 52-inch ceiling fan. Airflow efficiencies will range approximately from 51 to 176 cubic feet per minute per watt at the highest speed. So that's why I point out to you, hey, this is only down at 68 versus the upper end of 176. Moving on, I'm sure that by now I'm jogging down to the medium speed. You're going to see how that impacts the bassinet's fabric. And then I'll go down to the slowest speed. Over on the right, you're seeing a very typical unboxing. A note to point out is this does not come with a remote. So if you guys want to go ahead and do like dimmable lights, you're going to have to go to your wall receptacle and put in a dimmer on the wall. If you want to get fancier, otherwise, you know, you're going to have to use the pull chain otherwise to jog fan speed and on off just for the lights, that pull chain. Alright, based on what I'm seeing here, we may now be at the slower fan speed, and if so, I'm going to move on to showing you, yep, there, how the lights dim. That's the lowest, that's the brightest. The brightest my wife is plenty happy with for lighting up the nursery. There's it with the room completely, well, dark. At least turn that light off, right? Getting up close, showing you. There's a better look at the reversing switch. At this point in the video, I'm going to climb up awkwardly with one hand holding the cell phone, trying to flip that switch. It's really not that hard. I just didn't have enough hands. You flip it up, and I'm going to play for you the fastest speed in the reverse mode. I'll shoot over back to the bassinet to let you guys see how that moves the fabric. And actually the answer, surprisingly, is not a lot. That's the reverse direction. Fans can either blow down or they can move that hot air that is above the fan and distribute it if in reverse. So that's what I got for you guys today. It's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.